everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a pet water fountain for my little friend Penny. Penny, come here. You want to see it? Want to help? She's a little scared of the box, but she'll come by in a minute here. So let's see what we got here. Oh, Penny, look at this. Come here. Look, Penny, come here. Look at this. It's a pet water fountain for you. Look at that. Look at that. Put that away. Come here. Okay. So this is what it looks like here. So it's a stainless steel pet water fountain. So we've been using this little cup. So we're going to be switching off. Give her some cleaner water to work with. So let's open this up. See if she's going to like it. So that's the top. And then we have, this is going to be some filters over here. So these are some water filters. I guess they're going to go in this little trough right there. Here's going to be our motor and whatever else we need here. Let's open this up. We will look at the instructions here briefly. Oh, there she is, checking it out. Okay, it looks like it's going to be powered by USB to USB-C, so that is good because I have a lot of USB plugs around. Let's see, how do we do this now? Maybe if I can get it open. There we go. Boy, that was not easy. Okay, so let's get this set up now and see how it goes. So this contraption here is, looks like that's where it's going to charge up there. So that is going to go on the top here. So that'll be connected up there, and I guess that's where the water is going to come out over there. We will, I guess it's going to have to be, this will have to be on there first. So we're going to put this and this here, right there. That's going to stay, well, I guess it won't stay in very well unless I put this on it. Push this down on it there. And we have that there. So that's going to be how it is. And then that will go, you've got a little level indicator on there. Right there. Like that. And then this will connect up through here. It looks like it's going to be like connecting through Wi-Fi or whatever as well. So let's see what we got here. Okay, so we got it going here, and you can see the water's coming out. It's like, does that, and then when it sees motion, I think it kind of stops or goes or something like that. It's got a little motion sensor. But let's see what else we got going here. All I did was fill it up, clean it out, and put it on. So it's on now. I didn't charge it or anything yet, so I will plug it in here in a minute. But we have the non-woven fabric filter. We have different activated carbon and resin and stuff like that for all cleaning. We have the filter at the bottom, which does that for the big stuff here. We have the main engine, and we set this all up correctly here. So let's see what the different buttons are here. So we have a battery indicator light up there, which I think it's probably gonna need to be charged soon just because we haven't charged it yet. We have it says it flashes in white on charging. And then we have the regular flow mode, works under plug in only. We have touch set button, so I guess we can set to dispense for 3 seconds. We have an induction mode and a timer mode. So there we go. So it is going now, and I'm gonna go and plug it in and keep it plugged in all the time. But look at this. Here, come here, Penny. Penny, you okay? Penny. She just had her spaying, so she's a little skittish. You want to try the water? Come here. Come here. Good girl. Come here. Good girl. Come on. Good girl. Come on. Oh. She just rolls over whenever you get close to her. But hey, look at that. You want some water? She'll get used to it, but I want her to have nice clean water instead of just gross old water sitting in a bowl. So that's what the idea of this is. Keep it nice and clean for her. So pretty cool. Thumbs up.